Welcome back to the ultimate destination for luxury and adventure on three wheels. If you're passionate about compact living, off-grid freedom, and head-turning design, you're in the right place. This is the channel where we explore the most innovative camper tricycles in the world, and today, we're diving into the bold and efficient 2026 Compact Nomad, a game-changing trike built for modern nomads who crave freedom without sacrificing comfort. The 2026 Compact Nomad isn't just another electric tricycle, it's a fully self-contained camper that packs surprising functionality into a sleek, minimalist frame. Designed with solo adventurers and minimalist couples in mind, it merges mobility, sustainability, and comfort into one efficient and stylish package. Let's start with the foundation. The Compact Nomad is built on a lightweight aluminum alloy chassis, offering both durability and agility. The three-wheel configuration gives it added stability, especially on uneven terrain, and the front suspension ensures a smooth ride even on gravel paths or forest trails. The vehicle weighs just under 300 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver and light enough to be towed if needed. The electric drivetrain is another major highlight. Powered by a 1,500-watt brushless hub motor and a swappable 60V lithium-ion battery, the Compact Nomad delivers a top speed of around 45 kilometers per hour. It's not built for speed, it's built for steady, energy-efficient cruising. With a full charge, the range extends up to 90 kilometers, depending on load and terrain. And thanks to the built-in solar roof, you can recharge off-grid during daylight hours, making it a true companion for long-term travel and remote living. Now let's talk design, because the Compact Nomad makes a bold statement. From the outside, it features a boxy, retro-futuristic look with clean lines, matte finishes, and industrial accents. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, while the narrow footprint lets it glide through bike lanes, tight alleys, and forest paths with ease. It's urban and wild at the same time, a rare combination in the camper trike market. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice how efficiently the space is used. The interior is surprisingly roomy, thanks to a smart vertical layout. The fold-out sleeping platform converts from a cushioned bench seat into a comfortable bed that fits one adult or two in a cozy setup. Above the bed, storage compartments line the walls, with soft-close cabinets and hidden compartments to keep everything secure while in motion. The kitchenette is minimalist but functional. It includes a single-burner induction cooktop, a compact sink with a 20-liter freshwater tank, and a mini 12V fridge. The countertop folds out to double as a small dining or work area. There's even an integrated spice rack and LED strip lighting to make meal prep feel a little more like home. On the climate control side, the Compact Nomad includes a small rooftop fan for airflow, thermal insulation in the walls, and optional heating pads under the bench cushion for those chilly nights. While it's not built for Arctic conditions, it can handle three-season travel comfortably, especially with a good sleeping bag and warm clothes. Perhaps the most impressive feature is its eco-conscious build. The Compact Nomad is constructed with recycled and sustainable materials wherever possible, including bamboo paneling, eco-foam cushions, and water-based paints. The solar panel provides up to 200 watts of power, enough to charge lights, devices, the fridge, and even the battery on a sunny day. It also includes USB-C ports, a 12V outlet, and a simple battery monitor to track usage and solar gain. The rear of the camper opens up with dual doors, creating an indoor-outdoor experience. You can attach an awning, set up a small table and chair, and enjoy your view from the built-in bench. It's a great setup for digital nomads or nature lovers who want to work remotely with a breeze and birdsong in the background. There's also a thoughtful approach to privacy. Tinted windows, blackout blinds, and magnetic screens give you full control over light and visibility. Whether you're parked in the heart of the city or deep in the forest, you can choose to open up or shut down, depending on your mood. For those wondering about safety and security, the Compact Nomad includes front and rear LED lights, reflectors, a GPS tracker, and a digital lock system. There's also a motion sensor alarm and an optional wheel clamp for added peace of mind when you leave your trike unattended. On the customization side, Compact Nomad offers modular upgrade kits. You can add extra battery capacity, mount a roof rack for outdoor gear, or upgrade to an all-terrain tire package if you're planning rugged adventures. There's even a winter insulation pack with thermal curtains and battery warmers for those who want to push the seasonal limits. So who is the Compact Nomad really for? It's ideal for solo travelers, eco-conscious adventurers, urban dwellers looking for an escape pod, or anyone who wants a low-maintenance, affordable way to explore the world with minimal environmental impact. It's not about luxury in the traditional sense, it's about freedom, independence, and living more with less. Pricing for the 2026 Compact Nomad starts around $7,900, depending on the region and package. It's currently available in limited release across Europe and North America, with pre-orders already filling up fast. Delivery times range from 2 to 6 months, depending on configuration and demand. In a world increasingly leaning toward downsizing, mobility, and environmental responsibility, the Compact Nomad hits a sweet spot. It doesn't try to be everything, it focuses on being just enough. Enough space. Enough power. Enough comfort. And most importantly, enough freedom to go wherever your heart desires. If you're someone who's tired of traffic, high rents, or being stuck in one place, the Compact Nomad might just be your new home on wheels. Compact in size, massive in potential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Compact Nomad Camper Tricycle, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next adventure. We've got more cutting-edge camper trikes coming your way, and trust us, you won't want to miss what's next. Until then, keep rolling forward and living free.